Hi, welcome to Ukulele Mamas. My name is Maureen Daigle and I play ukulele for fun. One of the fun songs that I would like to do for you today is called the Do Run Run 1963 The Crystals. This is my version. It's pretty simple. It's G, C, and D. I hope you have fun with this. I'll play it first and then give you some instruction. To begin the song, we start in the G formation. I use a thin nylon pick to get the vibrant sound. The other thing that happens with this G chord is I hammer off and on with my middle finger. So it sounds, this is a G. This is the G. Hammering on and off the fourth string. The next chord is everybody's favorite, the C chord. And why is it favorite? Because it's so easy. One finger chords are my favorite. There's a C, and I do something similar with the C that I do with the G. Hammer on the third, on and off of the third string. And back to the G. And now we'll go on to the D chord. And this chord I think of as the smush chord. You have to smush all your fingers into the second fret, leaving the fourth string without a finger, squashing it, smushing it. And it sounds like this. And again, I'm lifting my fingers, hammering on and on. All right, let's try whole song. Here we go. I met him on a Monday and my heart stood still. Did you run, run, run? Did you run, run? Somebody told me that his name was Bill. Did you run, run, run? Did you run, run? Yeah, my heart stood still. Yeah, his name was Bill. And when he walked me home, did you run, Thanks for watching. Hope you check out more of my Ukulele Mama videos.